Ever wondered about the secret codes that make English words extra awesome? Well, you're in for a treat. Hey, language learners. Welcome to Learning English through Vuku, where we unravel the mysteries of English endings. Together, we'll decode the magic of ing-er-ly and more for those fluent finishing touches. Whether you're a word wizard in the making or just curious about the language playground, we've got you covered. Get ready to add some linguistic sparkle to your skills and dive into the world of English endings. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's embark on a journey to fluent finesse together. This is Learning English through Vuku, where decoding English endings becomes as easy as ABC. What is a suffix? A suffix is like a word tail that we add to the end of another word to change its meaning or how it works in a sentence. It's a small group of letters that can make a big difference. For example, if we add ing to run, it becomes running. The word changes from an action we did in the past to something we are doing right now.
Think of running real fast, like the road runner. Okay?
Suffixes are like word helpers that tell us more about what's happening or when it happened. They can be short, like just one letter, or a few letters long, but they always come at the end of a word. Definition. Unlike standalone words, suffixes can't do their job alone. They need a root word to attach to. There are a few cool things suffixes can do to words. Firstly, they're like word magicians because they can change the meaning of a word. For example, if we add less to care, it transforms into careless, meaning without care or not paying attention.
Man, you think I'm planning to be careless?
Secondly, suffixes can change a word's class, like turning an adjective into an adverb. Take quick, for instance. Adding ly makes it quickly, changing it from describing something fast to explaining how something is done speedily.
Madam, come quickly, please.
Lastly, suffixes are like word decorators. They add extra information. Adding full to help creates helpful, telling us that someone or something is providing assistance.
You have been really helpful, and I appreciate it.
Examples of suffixes. Let's explore some suffixes and how they work their magic. First up, we have the plural s suffix. It's like a magical wand that turns a single word into a whole gang. For example, cat becomes cats when you add s, telling us there's more than one fluffy friend.
That's real oceans, real trees, real cats, dogs.
No way!
Next, we have the past tense, ed suffix. It's like a time machine for words, showing us that something happened in the past. Walk becomes walked, letting us know someone strolled around a while ago.
You walked right past him on State Street.
Now let's meet the present participle, ing suffix. It's like a spotlight on action, revealing that something is happening right now. Jump becomes jumping, and suddenly we can see someone bouncing around in the air.
Bobby, stop jumping.
Say hello to the comparative, suffix, making words compare like friendly rivals. Fast turns into faster, letting us know something is speedier. Tall transforms into taller, hinting at a bit more height.
No, he was taller, but his hair was shorter.
But wait, there's more. Suffixes are versatile wordsmiths. They can turn nouns into verbs, like turning real into realize.
I realize that doesn't mean much to you, but to me, that's living.
Adjectives get a makeover with suffixes like full and less, creating beautiful and careless.
You're so beautiful.
Agent nouns formed with introduce us to the teacher who teaches and the baker who bakes.
He is my teacher. He found me.
Diminutives with suffixes like y and ie make words cute and small, like turning cat into kitty.
Nice kitty.
Adverbs come to life with lie, showing us how actions are done, such as quick turning into quickly.
Hans, come quickly.
And don't forget about possessiveness. The suffixes can make words claim things like turning John into John's book.
How'd you like Jane's hair?
So suffixes are like the secret ingredients that spice up words, adding layers of meaning and fun to our language adventures. Why is it important to learn about suffixes? Learning about suffixes is crucial for new learners as they navigate the exciting world of words. Think of suffixes as special tools that help children communicate better, read with confidence, and write like little wordsmiths. In the journey of language learning, suffixes come into play after new learners have already tackled prefixes. While prefixes add magic to the beginning of words, suffixes sprinkle their charm at the end. This step-by-step approach aligns with new learners' growing language abilities and reading prowess. As new learners progress through learning sources, their suffix knowledge grows, becoming a superhero sidekick in their language adventures. Why is this so important? Firstly, it's the secret code to reading. Understanding suffixes helps new learners unravel the meaning of words and stories, making reading a breeze. It's like having a decoder to crack the language mystery. Secondly, writing becomes a fun playground. Suffix know-how supports new learners in building sentences that sound just right, expanding their word treasure, and expressing themselves like language maestros. Spelling, too, gets a boost. Knowing suffixes means new learners can spell words correctly, even when those tricky endings sneak in. And let's not forget the power of words. Exploring suffixes opens the door to a world of new vocabulary. New learners start to understand how words fit into sentences, painting vivid pictures with their language palette. Lastly, grammar mastery begins with suffixes. Learning these little word additions is like understanding the building blocks of sentences, creating a strong foundation for language skills. Quiz time. Can you decode these suffix secrets? What does the suffix full add to a word? A makes it smaller. B indicates possession. C adds the meaning of full of. Which suffix turns a noun into a verb? A, ing, B, C, li. If we add s to the adjective tall, what does it become? A, tallest. B, taller. C, tallful. Now let's take a breather. Think it over for a few minutes and get ready for the big reveal. Answers? C adds the meaning of full of. So if you add full to joy, you get joyful, meaning full of joy. A, ing. This magical suffix turns nouns into verbs, like turning dance into dancing. A, tallest. Adding s to tall makes it the superlative form, indicating the highest level of height. Great job if you got it right. How did you do? Let us know in the comments. Did you enjoy unlocking the secrets of English endings with us today on Vuku? If you're hungry for more language adventures, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Keep practicing those English skills, and soon you'll be a language maestro. Thanks for joining us on this journey of fluent finishing touches. Until next time, keep decoding, keep learning, and keep shining. This is Vuku, signing off.